Honestly, a beautiful day to work out here. This one's a no start. A technician from here has already replaced the starter. A week or 2 weeks later, it came back with the same issue, no start. Okay, so I'm literally looking into this. I don't know. Take a guess, and whenever I figure it out, I'll see who was right. Uh, so far the lights on the dash, they do come on. The check engine light does come on. You got the service engine light. Yeah, I'll show you, man. uh, those are the lights that are on. I was hoping a key light would be on. That would be a lot easier. But no crank, no start. Literally, you just press on the brake and try to start it. Nothing. Take a guess, man. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think.